Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be styling my hair using one product. Yes, one product styling. I'm going to be using PrettiPhizziez new Pineapple Edge Tamer Pomade. As you can see from the look on my face, it smells amazing. This Pineapple Edge Tamer is a silkening pomade designed to give your hairstyle a more smooth, sleek finish with intense moisture and shine. And when I say intense moisture and shine, that is exactly what it does. Now this pomade can also be used for styling, so you can use it for bun styles, for twist outs, which I'm doing today, for wash and goes, and it works best when you use it on damp to dry hair. Some of the ingredients in this pomade include a sweet blend of aloe vera juice, aqua, watermelon seed oil, sweet almond oil infused with pineapple glaze gel. Now, PrettiPhizziez is an amazing Black-owned company, and not only are their products amazing, but their customer service is amazing as well. I'm going to leave all the information to this product line down in the description box, so please make sure that you check it out. You will not be disappointed, trust me. So for this twist out, I decided to do 2 twists on either side, which I'm going to leave twisted, and then I'm going to do a little small bun in the front and then twist out in the back. So I'm not going to do much more talking, just enjoy and watch as I style my hair with this one product. So can we take just a moment to recognize how sleek this ponytail is using that pomade? So not only did it give those bomb twists that you see on the sides, but it just sleeked my ponytail up like that. And now I'm slaying my edges with it. This one and done product is definitely a must-have. So my hair is completed and I am just going to let it air dry overnight. So I let my hair dry overnight and now it is time for the takedown. And yep, I know you already see it. Bomb definition. Like, I'm not even surprised. I knew the definition was going to be on point. So because this is a one and done product review, I am not applying any oil to my hands nor my hair for this takedown. And here are my final results using the Pineapple Edge Tamer Pomade from PrettiPhizziez. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.